North Dakota crooks, I'd like to know how you think it's okay to steal children and traffic them through the courts, claiming justice, all the while selling them off to the abusive parent. Yeah, Mr. David E. Reich, South Central Judicial District, Bismarck, North Dakota. He is one of the corrupt there that we know for certain. There are numerous. North Dakota Supreme Court Justices, would you like to please explain to the public how it is that you think you're able to pretend to bury your heads in the sand when I and others have come to you, have filed documents, writ of mandamus, writ of prohibition? You are aware of the fact that I have brought forth a claim of trespass upon Mr. David Reich as his individual capacity, and you want to pretend that this hasn't come to your awareness? You guys have trafficked my daughter through the courts without right. You have conspired with David Reich, allowing him to sell my daughter to the abusive parent and putting me on supervised visitation, deleting my rights to my daughter for the last few years. And now you want to pretend you don't know this has happened. Judge Gail Haggerty, as presiding judge, it would be your job to oversee your lower court judges. However, you have violated this. There is not one judge that I can name that has lived up to their sworn oath of office. I would also condemn Hoven, Heitkamp, Congressman Kevin Kramer, and Dalrymple. I have spoken to Heitkamp's office more than once. My legislator has gone there more than once. He has been ignored. I have been ignored. I've gone to Hoven's office with my legislator more than once and been ignored. Kramer's office pretended to want to do something about it and ignored me. Everybody seems to think that the judges are handing out justice. That is not the case. It is not the job of the judge to hand out justice, unfortunately, because there is no oversight. There is no neutral third-party oversight of any of the courts, and that is a problem. The Secretary Penny Miller is also the Secretary-Treasurer of other boards. All of these people work in cahoots. It's the fox guarding the hen house. So there is no justice. I am not alone in this battle, but you're not going to steal my child and get away with it. So, that said, this is going out as judicial notice to each and every one of you to step up and abide by your sworn oath or get out of your position. We will not stop until each and every one of you has been made accountable for your actions of treason and of child trafficking, kidnapping, illegal and unlawful search and seizure and kidnapping, the entire South Central Judicial District, and many clerks, and the North Dakota Supreme Court. Anybody wants to call me, feel free at any time. My cell phone is 701-720-9021, and it's time to free these child captives from these horrible, horrible courts that claim to provide justice and in fact are the ones who have stolen our children and are trafficking them to the abusers.